Okay guys, I'm out here at the airport, and on my airplane there are wasp nests. I've got 2 wasp nests here, and I didn't want to spray my airplane with just regular wasp spray. Didn't want corrosion, but I was told by a friend that Dawn dishwashing detergent mixed in water will kill wasps. So I thought that'd be a pretty cool video. Let's try it. Let's see. I was out here yesterday pre-flighting and I got stung by a wasp. So this is my vengeance on them. That is, if this Dawn detergent works. So what I did was I took just a garden sprayer. I mixed up about a ½ ounce of the Dawn wash, the 4X Dawn wash, and about a ½ ounce of that mixed in there. And I'm gonna spray these wasps. So let me set the camera up. And I'm gonna spray them. We'll see if it works. Just right there. Let's try it. Oh, come around here. There's a wasp. Hey, that knocked him down.
Are you still crawling?
All right. So that wasp nest is soaked, and look, this wasp is dying.
Think he's done for.
Yeah, it killed him.
Get a little closer, sweetie.
Sweetie, I can't. I hit the can.
Only 2 came out.
All right, I found this huge wasp nest in this garbage can next to the airplane. Let's shoot it.
Get closer, sweetie.
Hmm?
Get closer.
Okay, they are dying. One of them escaped. All right, you can come up, bring your camera. Bring your camera, right? Okay, so that worked. Okay, now for the mother of all wasp nests, it's in my left wingtip. They're trying to escape.
Trying to get out of there. He's getting his head. Oh, bless his heart.
He's like, ah.
Don't want to come out. Whoop. Get that one.
He'll drop here in a minute.